Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, November 20th. A lifeboat on the Carnival Dream broke off and fell into the water Wednesday while the ship was docked in Cozumel, Mexico. Carnival says the crew was performing an unmanned lifeboat test when a latch got caught on a cable. The lifeboat then dropped into the water, partially detaching from the ship. Glad no one was hurt. Photos and videos sent to our tip line show the aftermath here. Carnival Dream is on a 6-night cruise from Texas and is scheduled to return on Friday to look for a good fiberglass shop. And Carnival is reminding guests of its mobility scooter policy ahead of upcoming sailings on Carnival Liberty and Carnival Venezia. The cruise line says scooters must be stored inside staterooms when not in use and cannot be wider than 21 inches unless guests have booked an accessible cabin with a wider door. The cruise line says having an oversized scooter could lead to denied boarding. Carnival says that these rules are for safety and apply fleet-wide, and these reminders are due to a higher number of scooter users. And Norwegian Cruise Line is rolling out big entertainment plans for its upcoming ship, Norwegian Luna, set to debut in March. Headlining the lineup, Rocket Man, a tribute to Elton John featuring his biggest hits and archived footage, and Heiko, a futuristic show with acrobats and Cirque-style visuals. Norwegian Luna began sailing from Port Miami in March with 7-night Caribbean itineraries. And cruise stocks were mixed on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 1.4%, 26.12. Royal up 246.19. NCL flat 17.82. And Viking up 4.5, 60.90. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.